In a world where change is the only constant, the realm of marketing stands as a testament to the relentless march of innovation. From the earliest days of print advertisements to the advent of digital campaigns, the evolution has been both swift and staggering. Yet, in this fast-paced landscape, one force has emerged as the catalyst for a revolution unlike any other: artificial intelligence, or AI. This is not just another tool in the marketer's arsenal, it's a game-changer, a force that promises to reshape the very fabric of how we connect with consumers. The journey towards AI-driven marketing has been a storied one, marked by breakthroughs and paradigm shifts that have redefined the boundaries of what's possible. As technology has advanced, so too has our understanding of how to harness its power for the greater good of our marketing efforts. It began with simple algorithms crunching numbers behind the scenes, optimizing ad placements and targeting strategies. But as AI grew more sophisticated, so did its capabilities. Soon, it was not merely crunching numbers, but interpreting human behavior, predicting trends, and even generating content. Pioneers like BuzzFeed emerged as early adopters, showcasing the potential of AI to create engaging, shareable content tailored to the individual preferences of each viewer. Suddenly, marketing was no longer a one-size-fits-all endeavor, it was a personalized experience, crafted with care and precision to resonate deeply with its audience. The effects were profound, engagement skyrocketed, conversion rates soared, and brands found themselves forging stronger connections with consumers than ever before. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of AI in marketing is not just what it can do now, but what it promises for the future. With advancements in machine learning and natural language processing, the possibilities are truly endless. Imagine a world where every interaction with a consumer is not just a transaction, but a meaningful conversation, where brands anticipate needs before they rise, and where marketing is not just persuasive, but genuinely helpful. In this brave new world of AI-driven marketing, the only limit is our imagination. So, as we stand on the cusp of this technological revolution, one question remains: are you ready to embrace the future? Embarking on the journey through the AI revolution in marketing is akin to navigating uncharted waters in a vessel powered by human ingenuity and technological marvels. With over 10 million professionals worldwide inhabiting the marketing landscape, the emergence of artificial intelligence stands as a seismic force reshaping the very essence of how marketers interact with their audiences. The backdrop against which this transformation unfolds is one of rapid technological advancement spanning the past 2 decades. What once seemed like the realm of science fiction is now woven into the fabric of our everyday lives, laying the foundation for AI to redefine the contours of marketing strategies. In this whirlwind era, the digital realm beckons marketers to reimagine their approaches to connection, engagement, and influence, urging them to embrace a future where AI reigns supreme in their toolkits. Yet, this transition into the AI era is no leisurely stroll through the park. Despite recognizing the game-changing potential of AI, there exists a palpable readiness gap among marketers. The sluggish adoption of AI in marketing strategies underscores a broader issue of education and training, leaving many marketers feeling adrift in a sea of technological complexity. This underscores the urgent imperative for marketers to embrace continuous learning and skill enhancement, enabling them to fully leverage AI's capabilities to augment human creativity and efficiency. Herein lies the raison d'etre of this review. At the crux of marketing's metamorphosis in the AI era lies the overarching objective of making marketing smarter. AI unfurls a vast expanse of possibilities, from machine learning algorithms unraveling profound insights into consumer behavior to deep learning techniques mirroring human cognition. This paradigm shift heralds a future where marketing strategies transcend mere data-driven approaches, seamlessly aligning with human needs and behaviors through intuitive understanding. As we march forward into this future, we stand on the precipice of a new marketing epoch. Here, the fusion of human creativity with artificial intelligence begets unparalleled avenues for innovation and engagement. The path ahead is one of exploration, learning, and adaptation as we traverse the dynamic terrain of marketing in the AI era. For those bold enough to embark on this transformative odyssey, the sky's the limit, offering boundless opportunities to redefine the realms of possibility within marketing. Diving deeper into the realm of AI-driven marketing unveils an exhilarating landscape where the promise of artificial intelligence converges with the pragmatism of integrating AI into marketing practices, reflecting the broader evolution underway within the marketing industry. This transformative journey often commences with a pivotal aha moment, a sudden revelation that the future of marketing, intricately intertwined with AI, brims with irresistible potential. This epiphany transcends mere recognition of AI's capabilities, it encompasses an acute awareness of the challenges amidst the hype surrounding it. Amidst the buzz, the quest for authentic AI-powered solutions becomes an odyssey, unveiling the delicate equilibrium between innovation and practicality. Acknowledging AI's broad yet nuanced capabilities underscores the necessity for a versatile toolkit rather than a one-size-fits-all solution. This phase marks a pivotal shift in perspective, transforming AI from a mere add-on to an indispensable framework shaping the future of marketing. Enter the MarketingAI Institute, spearheaded by marketing expert and author Paul Roetzer, a beacon guiding those delving into AI's vast potential. It serves as a beacon for demystifying AI's role in marketing, fostering a platform to distill curiosity into actionable insights. Initiatives like the Institute's AI Score for Marketers exemplify this transition from theory to application. By empowering marketers to assess AI use cases tailored to their unique requirements, this tool renders AI more accessible and practical. It epitomizes the evolving landscape of marketing, where AI's significance transcends theory to become deeply ingrained within the industry's strategic framework. Amidst this AI transformation, the emphasis on pilot projects emerges as a pivotal stride towards AI adoption. These ventures, characterized by their focus on specific, data-driven, and predictive applications, serve as crucibles for testing AI's efficacy in marketing. They epitomize the pragmatic integration of AI, where its abstract potential converges with the tangible realities of marketing practice. It's within these pilot projects that AI's true prowess in marketing begins to radiate, offering a glimpse into a future where marketing's efficacy and creativity are not merely enhanced but fundamentally redefined by artificial intelligence. This odyssey from curiosity to implementation mirrors a broader narrative of metamorphosis within the marketing industry, a narrative intricately woven with both personal growth and professional evolution. As we continue to unravel the possibilities of AI in marketing, we find ourselves not merely bystanders witnessing history in the making, but active participants in a pivotal juncture where the future of marketing undergoes a profound rewrite before our very eyes. In an era where every digital interaction can be meticulously tracked and scrutinized, the ascent of AI in marketing heralds a realm brimming with possibilities. Consider the narrative of Naomi Simpson, an entrepreneur who wielded the might of AI to reimagine her company's marketing endeavors, unveiling the potential of AI in reshaping advertising strategies and uncovering previously untapped customer segments. Simpson's odyssey with her experiential gifts enterprise, Red Balloon, stands as a beacon illuminating how AI can pinpoint and optimize advertising avenues that might elude human efforts. Confronted with soaring customer acquisition costs and diminishing returns from traditional agency-driven advertising, Simpson turned to AI as her ally. Embracing a solution named Albert, which pledged to autonomously manage and refine paid advertising campaigns, Simpson witnessed a paradigm shift. Albert's prowess in conducting myriad ad tests within a single day and dynamically optimizing campaigns in real time yielded remarkable enhancements in ad spend returns, surpassing Simpson's ambitious benchmarks with aplomb. The revelation that AI not only matches but surpasses human-operated campaigns signals a pivotal evolution in the advertising landscape. Albert's adeptness in identifying a new customer segment of Australian expatriates for Red Balloon, by deciphering data patterns invisible to the human eye, underscores the profound insights AI can furnish. It underscores the transition from labor-intensive, manual campaign management to agile, AI-driven marketing strategies capable of fluidly adapting to the nuances of consumer behavior. Yet, this narrative transcends the confines of one company's triumph or the capabilities of a solitary AI solution. It serves as a universal lesson for marketers on the transformative potential of AI in advertising. The pivot towards AI-driven advertising strategies isn't merely a passing fad, it epitomizes a fundamental shift in how brands engage with their audience. By harnessing AI, marketers can navigate the labyrinth of digital advertising, from crafting hyper-targeted ads to optimizing budgets for maximal impact. For those poised to embark on this AI-driven expedition, this story proffers pragmatic insights into the requisite steps for integration, from pilot projects illuminating the terrain of AI's capabilities to the wholesale adoption of AI technologies capable of redefining marketing strategies. It urges marketers to perceive AI not as a distant or insurmountable technology, but as an indispensable tool increasingly vital for gaining a competitive edge in the digital epoch. Delving deeper into the realm of transformative artificial intelligence in marketing unveils a vibrant example from the innovative corridors of BuzzFeed, a digital media giant. Let's explore how BuzzFeed leveraged AI not only to predict but practically ensure viral success, a strategy that propelled its animated series The Good Advice Cupcake to Instagram stardom. This isn't merely about crafting catchy content, it's about fundamentally reshaping the essence of content creation, distribution, and optimization through the lens of AI. BuzzFeed's venture into AI-driven content marketing wasn't a mere experiment, it marked a deliberate pivot towards an AI-first strategy. This strategic shift entailed leveraging AI to dissect and comprehend the nuances of virality, engagement, and content performance on an unprecedented scale. It showcased how data, when analyzed and acted upon by AI, can fuel a content flywheel, initiating a self-perpetuating cycle of heightened engagement and revenue. Such an approach signifies a radical departure from traditional content strategies, positioning BuzzFeed not only as a media powerhouse but also as a pioneer in AI-infused content marketing. For marketers, there lies a profound lesson encapsulated within BuzzFeed's strategy. It underscores the indispensable role of integrating AI into content marketing endeavors. The bygone era where content creation relied solely on artistic intuition is evolving. Today, it embodies a sophisticated synergy between creativity and the analytical prowess of AI, capable of deciphering and leveraging data to anticipate audience preferences, catalyze sharing, and enhance engagement. Furthermore, BuzzFeed's methodology exemplifies the significance of adopting an AI-first mindset. This entails not merely tacking AI onto existing strategies as an afterthought but rather reconceptualizing content strategy with AI at its core. It entails treating each content piece as a valuable data point, contributing to an ever-evolving algorithm that continually refines content relevance and amplifies its reach. Yet, perhaps the most pivotal takeaway here is the potential of AI to democratize content virality. No longer confined to entities with substantial advertising budgets, virality becomes attainable for those adept at astutely employing AI to comprehend and predict audience preferences. This shift is monumental, heralding a leveled playing field where the merit and relevance of content, empowered by AI, emerge as the primary determinants of success. Looking ahead, the implications of BuzzFeed's journey for content marketers are crystal clear. Embrace AI not merely as a tool but as a foundational pillar of your strategy. Allow it to steer your content creation, guide your distribution efforts, and fine-tune your optimization endeavors. In doing so, you're not merely adapting to the evolution of marketing in the digital age, you're actively shaping its trajectory, ensuring your content resonates more profoundly and proliferates more expansively than ever before. Artificial intelligence is not merely a buzzword in the marketing world, it's a transformative force that is revolutionizing how businesses connect with their audiences. The success stories of individuals like Naomi Simpson and industry giants like BuzzFeed underscore the profound impact AI is having on marketing strategies. Simpson's experience with AI-driven advertising showcases how leveraging technology can lead to unprecedented improvements in campaign performance, while BuzzFeed's use of AI to predict and create viral content demonstrates the power of data-driven decision-making. In today's digital age, where every click, impression, and engagement can be tracked and analyzed, AI offers marketers the ability to optimize their campaigns with unprecedented precision. By harnessing the predictive capabilities of AI algorithms, marketers can identify trends, anticipate consumer behavior, and tailor their messaging to resonate with their target audience on a deeply personal level. This shift towards data-driven marketing represents a fundamental evolution in the industry, where creativity is no longer solely reliant on human intuition but augmented by the analytical power of AI. Embracing AI in marketing isn't just about staying ahead of the curve, it's about redefining the boundaries of what's possible. By integrating AI into their strategies, businesses can unlock new levels of creativity and efficiency, pushing the boundaries of traditional marketing practices. Furthermore, AI enables marketers to personalize their campaigns at scale, delivering tailored messages to individual consumers based on their preferences, behaviors, and past interactions with the brand. This level of personalization fosters deeper connections between businesses and their customers, driving loyalty and engagement. As we venture further into the age of AI-driven marketing, the opportunities for innovation are boundless. By embracing AI, marketers can gain a competitive edge in an increasingly crowded digital landscape, where attention is scarce and competition is fierce. However, the true power of AI lies not just in its ability to optimize campaigns or predict trends, but in its potential to inspire creativity and unlock new possibilities for engagement. As we continue to explore the capabilities of AI in marketing, we are not just shaping the future of our industry, we are redefining the way businesses connect with their audiences in the digital age. In conclusion, the journey into AI-driven marketing is an invitation to reimagine what's possible and embrace the future of advertising. By leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, businesses can transcend traditional marketing constraints, unlocking new avenues for creativity, efficiency, and engagement. As we navigate this rapidly evolving landscape, One thing is clear, the possibilities are endless for those willing to embrace the transformative potential of AI.
With steadfast commitment, I've dedicated my time, energy, and resources to craft this audiobook summary, aiming to uplift individuals like yourself, those with a growth mindset, an unwavering determination, and an insatiable thirst for knowledge. It's a heartfelt endeavor, driven by love not only for fellow positive thinkers but also for the well-being of my children and future generations. In return for this labor of love, I humbly request your support through likes, shares, and subscriptions, while ensuring to activate the notification bell for updates on new releases. Your active engagement fuels my passion for creating content that inspires and motivates, fostering a shared journey of growth and enlightenment. Thank you for being an integral part of this community dedicated to positive change.